and welcome
to Scott Tyndall's Home Shop.
Yes, I am Scott.
And I am Tira.
And we hope you enjoy the following video, so stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome to Scott Tyndall Home Shop. I am gathering up some tools to put together our I think we got another joint busted loose over here. I'm going to have to pull these screws up and pull that piece out and see. Right now, there we go. Stealing the Tira's toolbox. I need a Phillips bit. Get out of there. So I can use my my impact ratchet. Oh, never mind. Well, it's not where it's supposed to be anyway. Got put in the wrong spot. But I can use this for some things, and we have an impact driver that's around here somewhere, and I'll bring you back when we got more to show you after we get started. Some of the things that I'm doing, like the first thing that I did is eliminate those rubber gaskets around the lid. A little banging. Alright, because they wouldn't squish down and the stupid screws were stripping out. So I'm just going to use silicone. Oh, come on! I was down on the floor 3 times. Give it up. Yeah, come on. See, I'm having problems already. I need some nuts. They don't have to fit, they just have to go on. I've done this many times. You can take a nut like that and find a nut that's just a hair bit bigger than the threads, and she'll screw right on that sheet metal screw that they got going in there, even though it's not meant to. Small. That's what that problem is. Too small. one. There. I just gotta hold it with a pair of pliers. There we go. I'm going to do all the upgrades to this. I just didn't have time and the money to do them all today. This silicone is probably as old as the Rock of Gibraltar. Just got to find a place on it that hasn't been smeared with silicone so that I can wipe up the excess. Alright.
Hi.
Hello everybody. We're welcome to Scott Tyndall's home shop, blah 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 blah.
I'm Scott. I'm Terry Scott. I'll go over.
Here's drill.
Drill.
Right there, baby. Remember this piece of glass right there? You know what? Yeah, excuse me here while I get a black screwdriver out. Get y'all looking down in there best we can. This is just
Pitiful?
very. Give me that pair of pliers right there. The blender, I meant to. Hold it up straight like that for me. There we go. Alright. Try to stay out of the way of the camera.
Go,
Alright. Tell them bye.
Bye, I'll be back. She'll be back.
She keeps threatening me with that.
Hey.
Come on, hold it straight. I hear you. Got it straight.
Now we need the light.
Yep, give me the light.
Stick this way.
Oh man, I gotta get this. That's a compression nut for that through hole connector. Don't block the camera. No, no, no. You don't ask and then pull. What the hell is that? Can I drive down this driveway after you're halfway down it? No, you can't.
What's not going on? Small.
What? That's just fine, baby.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't go up there and
And I have to do screws.
Miss Book said. We're going to do all the modifications later. I gotta save up some of that money. We need them over there, but we don't have the. Do we have a drop cord that we can plug our light in?
Not at the moment.
No, that's a little too short. I'm gonna cut it out a little bit. Careful, don't break the plastic. I don't think you're supposed to go all the way down. Here, let's do this. I don't know what that was. Well, it went bang, bang, so.
It was.
I figured I'd.
It was 2 bits. A bit.
That's not very, doesn't cost very much, but it only costs 2 bits.
You're funny. Captain Underpants. Do you like Captain Underpants, Daddy?
No, I don't.
You don't like the comics? Or the show on Netflix? No.
Hey, hang on a minute. We can get that up under that rubber. You didn't tell me it wasn't under there. You ran it all the way in.
I didn't run that way. You did.
I didn't know. I wouldn't have done that. There we go.
There we go.
Alright, that'll all have to be roughed up with the, roughed up with the Scotch-Brite so that the silicone will stick. Let me silicone it all together. Come on, get up there. There we go. Paint's already chipping off. Ain't that something?
We haven't even had it for a day. Well, yeah. A couple hours in a day.
Alright. We're going to bring y'all back and show y'all a little bit more later on. Everybody, we haven't got hardly anything done. This is not a how-to video on how to put together a Harbor Freight blast cabinet.
No.
Media blasting cabinet.
Do you mean turn them now? So I can actually see we're done.
Yeah, turn them down. Well, somebody cut them in. Still need a washer. Jeez. Alright, nut and washer. Where's the washer? I just said nut and washer. What's the point of me saying anything?
Alright, I'm ready.
No, you're not. Move, move. You're on the wrong side anyway.
No.
Come on.
I got the nut. Oh.
Well, I don't see what's going on.
It's going.
Alright, let's take these off and do these.
I have 2 washers.
We gotta get the little red plate too.
The plate. Do I put the little washer on before the plate?
Did you not watch what I did?
No, I was getting washers for you.
You weren't getting washers the whole time. You had your hand over pushing the bolt in.
Yeah, and I was getting washers.
No, no, I don't know.
Yes,
No. No.
Yes.
No. No.
Yes.
No. Come on. Won't you slobber all over the place. I'll tell people about the shed
Yes.
in town. Uh-huh.
I will smack you. Y'all,
Don't let folks on YouTube see you get your butt whooped now.
look. Y'all get him. He's getting on my nerves.
I'm gonna get on your nerves, alright?
Yeah. Okay, next leg.
What do you mean next leg? We gotta put more than one on? Jeez, I thought this was just a sample. Look. Hey.
Now back.
The three other three legs, guess what? They go on just like this one did. I don't have to put all four on to show you.
You'll be smart enough to know what it's for.
Alright. Alright, for y'all, today is what? Monday?
Monday? Yeah.
Monday night, about 9 o'clock. 8, 9 o'clock. We're going to go in the house, and we're going to see y'all tomorrow.